The Kjeldahl protein method involves several steps, including digestion, distillation, and titration. A key factor influencing the results is the design of the titrator and the accuracy and precision it provides. As Kjeldahl distillation is a continuous process, rapid titration of the distillate is crucial to prevent nitrogen loss. Standard titrators, not designed to integrate with a distillation process, are not optimized for the Kjeldahl method. At OPSIS LiquidLINE, we developed a specialized titrator tailored for the Kjeldahl method, featuring our innovative predictive titration algorithm. This algorithm evaluates the various stages of Kjeldahl distillation, which typically starts with minimal or no nitrogen, followed by a surge in nitrogen after a brief delay, and concludes with a phase of minimal additional nitrogen. The predictive titration algorithm employs advanced mathematics to analyze Kjeldahl distillation and determine optimal burette dosing. It evaluates not just the current color value, but also adapts based on predictive calculations. This innovative approach enhances precision and achieves lower detection limits compared to conventional titrators. Essential to this process is the combination of titration and Kjeldahl distillation, ensuring they function as a unified system rather than separate components. The Kjeldahl titrator employs colorimetric titration, which we consider the best solution for Kjeldahl laboratories. A key benefit is that the lamp and sensor in a colorimetric titrator do not contact the liquid, as both are located outside the vessel, resulting in minimal maintenance and no need for calibration. While both colorimetric and pH titrators yield similar results, only pH titrators require calibration. We believe the innovative predictive titration from OPSIS LiquidLINE provides a superior solution for Kjeldahl analysis. Please contact us today to learn more.